Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get an Acura Vigor key replacement in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. In addition, I will go over key replacement cost, types of keys, coding information, and some great tips to save you a lot of time and money. Before we start, we would really appreciate if you can like this video, and of course if you need any help you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you. So, Acura Vigor is one type of key, which is a non-transponder key or non-chip key. Just a simple key without any security features. For 1992 until 1994, we have a non-transponder key with part number HD101 or X208. So always remember to provide the locksmith or dealer either the exact year, make and model of your car or the VIN number and the type of key you had. For example, 1994 Acura Vigor non-transponder key. Now let's go over Acura Vigor key replacement cost. You have three options to get a key replacement and the price varies depending on where you get the new key. First, get a key online and then have a locksmith or dealer cut it for you. Second, call an automotive locksmith who can come and make you a key or change the ignition on site. And third, tow the car to the shop. Here is a rough estimate. How much should it cost to get a replacement non-transponder key when no codes are available? A locksmith should charge you between $50 to $200, the dealer between $120 and $270, and the mechanic between $80 to $230. Now, some tips to save you a lot of time and money. First, call a few locksmiths, get a few quotes. This is very important as some locksmiths are very busy on a given day and some aren't. Use it for your advantage. Second, try to call a few companies, even if they are not located right next to your location. Most locksmiths offer a mobile service, sometimes up to 30-mile radius. So even though the business address might be far from you, they might be helping the customer right next to you. Do your research, it will pay off. Third, try to schedule an appointment, if you can wait a while. Most locksmiths would prefer to give you a 10, even 15% discount if you can wait while they finish another job. This way, it can work out for everybody. You get a discount, they get a job. Ask for it, don't be shy. Finally, just like a mortgage, try to negotiate. If you find a better quote, tell them. Who knows, maybe they will give you a better one. For more great tips, you can visit our blog post about car key replacement cost. That's it. I hope you liked this video and would really appreciate if you can give us the thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching.